In this video, we're going to look at the use of the apostrophe. There are two main uses for apostrophes. They can be used to show contractions in the joining together of words, or they can be used to show possession or ownership. But first of all, let's begin by looking at contractions. Contractions are when two words are merged together and some letters are removed. Classic examples include I am is contracted into I'm, they are is contracted into their, we had is contracted into we'd. When the letters are removed, we insert an apostrophe to acknowledge the removal of those letters. We'd like you to pause the video now and have an attempt at contracting these words and try to use the apostrophe appropriately. Once you're finished, show it to your teacher. Let's now look at the apostrophe to show possession or ownership. The apostrophe is used to show that the subject of the sentence owns the thing discussed in the sentence. So in this example, the dog's water bowl. The apostrophe shows that the water bowl belongs to the dog. Here, if we don't use the apostrophe, it means dogs, many, or plural. So it means the dog's water bowl, as in many dogs, and the sentence has no meaning. Again, in this example, the group's decision, the apostrophe shows that the decision belongs to the group. If we just say the group's decision without an apostrophe, it means many groups. And again, this sentence has no meaning. Two final examples. Sam's mother insisted that he return home. This shows that it is the mother of Sam that we're referring to. Julia's food was getting cold. It shows that the food belongs to Julia. This can be slightly difficult or complex when we talk about words that finish with an S, like Mr. Jones or class. In this case, we have two different ways of responding. We can simply insert the apostrophe and no S. Mr. Jones's dog has escaped. We're showing that the dog belongs to Mr. Jones. Alternatively, and as equally correct, we can say Mr. Jones's dog, with an apostrophe and an S, has escaped. This is correct also. Consider the next example, the class's goldfish. This is an apostrophe with no S. It shows that it is the pet goldfish which belongs to the class. Equally, the apostrophe S for class, the class's pet goldfish, means the same thing. It is only incorrect to make the word into a plural, the class's pet goldfish. This word also has no meaning. Finally, we occasionally need to show ownership of a plural. So for instance, show ownership where there is a group of classes, or there is a group of actresses, more than one actress. The rule in this scenario is do not insert an extra S, only add the apostrophe. Let's look at these examples. The classes reports will be printed on Friday. These are the reports that belong to many classes, the plural of classes. Many classes reports will be printed on Friday. In this example here, the actresses' scripts, many actresses, and the scripts that belong to the many actresses are being printed. In this instance, we don't add an additional S, we simply add the apostrophe. We'd like you to pause the video again and attempt to show the possessive apostrophe for the following scenarios. Good luck. When you've finished, please share it with your teacher.